How to fix the to send a nearby place or your location. Allow WhatsApp access to your location error. First, go to the settings on your phone. Tap on Apps or App Manager, that depending on your device. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Tap Permissions. Make sure the location permission is enabled. You can also turn on all permissions for WhatsApp to avoid other permission-related issues. That's it. You can now share your location without any issues. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.